Skillshare is a perfect brand for educational YouTube channels because they already work with YouTubers in niches like productivity, tech, design, and personal development. Even small YouTubers, under 10,000 subscribers, have gotten sponsorships from them. How much can you make? Watch this.
Anytime a teacher, or me, anytime I refer someone to sign up to a free trial of Skillshare, Skillshare pays me $10.
This Skillshare usually offers fixed sponsorship payments based on views, affiliate commissions earned per sign-up. We will walk you through the A to Z process of becoming a Skillshare brand ambassador and getting paid as a small YouTuber. Step 1. Prepare your YouTube channel for sponsorships. Create 3 to 5 videos related to Skillshare's audience, for example, top website for learning new skills. Improve your YouTube bio and About section. Mention your niche and audience. Ensure your videos have good engagement, likes, comments, watch time. Brands like Skillshare care more about engagement than just subscriber count. Even if you have 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers, a highly engaged audience can get you sponsorships. Step 2. Find Skillshare's influencer contact info. Visit https://www.skillshare.com, affiliates, Skillshare's ambassador page. Look for an email or sign-up form. Search Skillshare Influencer Manager on LinkedIn. Skillshare has a dedicated affiliate and sponsorship program. The fastest way to get in is through their ambassador program, which pays per sign-up. Step 3. Craft the perfect brand deal pitch checkmark. Keep the email short and professional. Mention your audience size and engagement rate. Explain why Skillshare is a perfect fit for your audience. Offer a collaboration idea. Let's dive into the pitch. Subject: partnership opportunity, Skillshare and Vox Lite. Dear Skillshare marketing team, my name is Mudassar, and I'm the creator of Vox Lite, a YouTube channel dedicated to helping individuals discover and master profitable side hustles and essential online skills. My channel currently has 10,000 subscribers, and my videos regularly achieve 50,000 plus views. I have attached my media kit with detailed analytics. Recently, I've produced videos for best Skillshare courses. My audience has shown significant interest in developing these courses, and I believe a collaboration with Skillshare would be a perfect fit. I'm open to exploring various partnership models, including affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and long-term ambassadorships. Would you be available for a brief call to discuss potential collaboration opportunities? Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, many YouTubers give up too soon. Always send a follow-up email because brands get tons of messages daily. A simple follow-up can land you a deal. And that's how you land brand deals with Skillshare as a small YouTuber. Skillshare